Hi everyone, today let's solve a Leetcode question called linked list cycle. So in this question, we want to find if the cycles are in the linked list. If that cycle want to return true, and otherwise we return false. Now the cycle in the linked list, if there's some nodes in the linked list, then can be reached again by following the next pointer. And let's check some examples to help understand. You see in example 1, we are originally traversing from the head to the tail, right? So see we're traversing 3 to 2, then to 0, and the tail -4. But again, you see if we're traversing back from this tail -4, we can visit these 2, right? So here we have a cycle and we return true. And same for the second example, you see we're starting in the first node, is 1, and we go to the tail node, is 2. But actually, we can traversing back from the tail node to the head node using this connection. So this is also a cycle and we return true. And finally, let's check the example 3. Example 3 will have single node, right? So there's no cycle and we return false. Okay, now finish the intuition of this problem. Let's think about how to solve this kind of problem. Well, actually, for most linked list problems, we can use the fast and slow pointer, and let me illustrate how. So you initialize both the slow pointer and fast pointer at head position. So for example 1, the head position will be this node 3, right? So at the slow pointer here, and let me use a different color for the fast pointer. So the fast pointer is here. And every time I want to move the slow pointer with step equal to 1. Okay. And the fast pointer should have a step equal to 2. Now, finish the initialization, let's run the pointer. So you see the slow pointer will be moved to next position, and fast pointer will be moved to next position. So just change it out here, and write it here. So slow pointer currently pointing at 2, and the fast pointer currently pointing at 0, right? And since we still have the fast pointer and fast pointer to next, we want to continue to move the slow pointer and fast pointer. So we want to move the slow pointer by 1 step again, and fast pointer by 2 steps. And once we move this, we found okay, slow pointer is pointing at 0, but fast pointer going back, right? So it's going back to these 2. Okay, since we still have the next elements, the fast pointer want to continue moving, right? So next thing is to move the slow pointer to this -4, and the fast pointer will be moved to 2 steps, so it comes from 2 to -4. Okay. Here we find, okay, slow pointer and fast pointer actually met. And if there's no linked list, for example, we have a straight line consisting of all these nodes, there's no possibility that the slow pointer could trace the fast pointer, right? Because for the fast pointer and slow pointer are starting at the same location, and the fast pointer are always run a more distance than the slow pointer. So if we do find the slow pointer and fast pointer meet at specific location, this means there's must a cycle which allows the fast pointer to catch the slow pointer. Okay, now finish the explanation. Let's dive into the coding part. So actually the code is very short, and I will explain them line by line. So first thing to initialize the slow pointer and fast pointer, and both at head position. And while fast and fast for next is this, so this is a general framework for this kind of linked list problems using fast and slow pointer. The first thing we want to do is increment the slow pointer by 1. So slow equal to slow dot next, and fast pointer by 2. The fast equal to fast dot next. Okay. If one slow equals to fast, this means they are shortcut. They allows the slow to catch up with the fast, right? And we want to return true because they are cycle. Otherwise, we're traversing this entire linked list, and we do not find this condition hold. This means slow can never catch fast, and there's no cycle. So we return false. Okay, now let's submit the results. See if it works. Okay, so the time capacity memory usage of this solution is not bad, right? And the code is short and easy to understand. If you find this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Thank you.